Hello everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So today I have a really exciting video to share with you today. So today I'm going to be talking about my new collection. It's called Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin. So it's my brand new product line and it will be exclusive to Craftstash. There'll be links to all of these products down below. Right, so we're going to be starting off with just a quick overview of these products. There'll be a full range, you can see the full range of these products on the link down below at Craftstash, and I'll also be at Craftstash tomorrow live for their Facebook show. So that's at 1 PM GMT +1, and I'll try and remember to put a time converter down there. I don't believe you need to have a Facebook account to actually watch it, and I'll also be embedding the actual live show onto a blog post that will be released Friday night or Saturday morning. So it may be a few hours before that becomes available on my website, but I'll get that up as soon as possible. And we're also going to be giving away some of these prizes. So I have two collections here, plus some stamps and some dies, and the prizes we're going to be giving away tomorrow are worth over £168, and there's going to be 3 bundles, each bundle worth over £50 each. So make sure you tune in tomorrow to watch that. So I'll quickly show you some of these stamps. This is the winter collection, so there's some papers back here that coordinates with, and then we have some sentiment stamps as well, and then we have a beautiful wreath as well. I keep saying as well, but there's absolutely so much to show you. But yeah, we'll be going into the full details tomorrow. So this is the winter collection. So we have the traditional Christmas. So we have a 12 by 12 and a 6 by 6. I wish I could go into further detail, but this is a really short and quick video. And over the next coming weeks, I will be showing you projects with all of these things. So then we have some winter nights here. Do a quick sneak peek of what's inside because it's incredibly beautiful. I just love those birds. This one's pretty much empty because I've been using it, and then it comes in a 6 by 6 as well. Just grab the matching stamp set. Isn't it beautiful? It has that beautiful bird and lovely elements from the papers repeated into the stamp set, so it's all going to coordinate lovely together. Let's quickly move all these aside. Then we have some massive dies here. These are absolutely huge. So this is a pillow box die. And then we have a loaf tin. This is all fallen apart because I've been using it and using it. So if you remember back from my Christmas series last year, is it 2017? I made a pinwheel card and I went through several steps in order to make one. So I've designed this die here. It's just so easy. That's all I can say. It's incredibly easy. You just feed it through your die cutting machine. It is a large format because it's 8 inches wide, so it will need to go through a large format one. So that will fit through a Big Shot Plus, Gemini. It will fit through that nicely. So if you remember the video I made, it's this beautiful pinwheel card, and it opens up just like so. And so to close it up, you have the pointed corner here. Make sure every point is covered. If you go the other way it won't work. And then we tuck in the last one. It also comes with a belly band as well. And then I've just taken the sentiment from one of the stamp sets, from the sentiment stamp sets. Let's pop that on. So that's really quick and easy. It's literally like a fifth of the time to make. So it's really quick and easy. So that's the pinwheel card. So if you remember back in February, I made a massive Valentine's box. I still have it down here somewhere. You may remember it. Yes, I still have some left. I made an exploding box and it took 64 Ferrero Rochers plus the giant one in the middle. So I've made a miniature version and here it is. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to be opening this live on the Facebook show tomorrow. So it comes with everything you need, and literally, as there's loads of cutting out to do with this box, if you are doing it manually, you're likely to make a lot of mistakes. So I always make mistakes. So this really does speed up the process. I love that one. And then we have some gift bag dies, so you can make normal gift bags, and also I've made a flat bag as well. And it also comes with these lovely edges so that you can have them on the top, and a curvy one as well if you want to make a curvy box, and also the holes as well. So that's the gift bags. Comes in 2 sizes. And then here we have a wreath. I'm not sure if I showed you the die for that. I did. Here we go, here's the stamp set, and then we have the dies that cut that out, so it's really quick and simple. And then, confetti there, and then we have this. I'll turn it on to the side so you can see it better. We have, one of my most popular videos was actually a post box, tiny little post box. So we've made a post box die, so that would be this one here, and this will be the base of the box. And just to have an addition, we also have another wrap here to make it into a matchbox, so you can make a really good selection of boxes. You can even stack them together as well and make an advent calendar, so I'll probably be doing that in the future, in the next coming weeks, maybe November time, maybe for the Christmas series, do you think? Perhaps. So that is the matchbox and post box die. Right, so there is a bunch of accessories as well, but we're going to be going into further detail on those tomorrow and over the coming weeks. So there's absolutely loads of stuff here. And over the last week I've probably made about 20 to 25 projects with all of these things, so they'll all be shown tomorrow on the Facebook Live. So the links for all these will be down below. I hope you guys can really join me tomorrow. I really do hope that you can join me tomorrow. The more the merrier. I like to say hi to everyone. From the last time I was on there, I did recognise a few of your names as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing some familiar faces on there tomorrow. So don't forget, link for that will be down below for the Facebook page, and don't forget to tune in. So I'll see you tomorrow.